These two dirt bikers choose not to stop at police checkpoint, but one of them was caught moments later by a motorcycle cop.
Все. Зачем кидать? Давай я поставлю аккуратно. Поставлю аккуратно. Ключ дайте, можно. Да нет у меня документов, конечно.
Хорошо. Вот тогда на стояночку,
Мы просто здесь живем, здесь катаемся, вот до карьера доезжаем. Я понимаю.
Я останавливаюсь, уважать сотрудников СИЗО, а не так, как вы это делаете.
Я понял. А так все есть, у меня даже категории есть. Просто нет документов с собой.
Ничего страшного, он на стояночку поедет тогда, а вы домой потом позвоните, пока пусть переведут вам документы, хотя бы визуально посмотреть, кто вы есть, по телефону скинуть.
While getting up to speed to pass the cars, this biker got clocked by a police officer, who immediately went after him. Having already received 2 warnings before, let's see if this time he gets a ticket.
How's it going, man?
What's up, brother?
I'm good, you alright?
Yes, sir. You good?
I'm good, man.
You scared the shit out of me when I turned around and you were behind me.
Yeah, well, I saw you double taking me back there when you passed all those cars. 55 there, man.
I got up to 60 to pass all those cars. 5 miles over? Did you clock me going a faster speed? What'd you get me at? 70?
And listen, I'm not going to play games with you, okay?
Yeah, I got you. I appreciate that.
At the bottom of the hill, I was watching you, and I literally saw you go double taken after you passed all those cars.
This is bonkers.
And once you being picked on, you got a warning for going 86 on 400 like 2 years ago. That's a super speeder. So you're not getting picked on, you're getting breaks.
I've had my fair share of $1,300 tickets. I don't mess around with y'all, and I typically try to follow all the traffic laws for the most part. But for the most part, man. Thank you so much.
Give you a warning. This is like the last warning though, because you've already got 2 from us now.
So what you're telling me is I need to stay out of Forsyth County?
No, I'm telling you just to slow down. Don't speed. It's not hard.
All right, man. I appreciate you a lot, sir.
You're good. You have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, man. Get home safe, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Check out how this guy tries to get away from the cops on his 70cc scooter. Running from the police is dangerous and illegal. It can quickly lead to serious charges, heavy fines, loss of license, or even jail time. We do not support this behavior. Ride safe and always follow the law.
check ça. Non, t'inquiète. T'as vu? Ben, je vais à fond, là, c'est ça le problème. Oh my god, ils suivent encore, big. Oh, le fou, big.
A crossing guard was not happy after seeing this biker lane filtering, which is illegal in Texas, so they flagged down a nearby cop. It did not take long before officer went after the rider.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Hey, you know there's no lane splitting.
Oh, I did not know that. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
that is against the law. I was flagged down by a crossing guard because you're lane splitting down the roadway in the school zone, okay?
Okay,
You can't
I
lane split.
apologize.
Are you from somewhere that allows that?
No,
Or
I
were
just
you not aware of it?
I was not aware of it. I'm sorry,
Okay.
sir.
So let me see your license and your insurance. I'm not going to write you a ticket.
This is on my phone.
Yeah, that's
Is that
fine.
okay?
I'm not going to write you a ticket. I'm just going to give you a warning. But understand lane splitting, you can't do that, okay?
Thank you.
I think they do it in California, some other states, but it's not legal here in Texas.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Is this liquid cool or air cooled?
I don't know.
Is this yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
Let's see, does it have the effective dates on it? Like where it's current? Where I can see if it's current or not?
Yeah, it's right there. The pulse
Oh,
plate.
daggum, it's so little.
It is small, yeah.
9 to 26. All right, let me just check your license. No warrants or anything, nothing like that?
No
All right,
warrants.
good deal. Give me a second, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
All right, here's your driver's license back. This is just a warning, like I said, for failed to maintain single lane. You can't lane split, so just be careful with that, okay? And then I don't know if they do. I know speeding in a school zone, the fines get enhanced. I don't know if school zone matters for any other violation,
Okay.
but just be careful, especially when you're in a school zone, because courts tend to get a little involved with that, okay?
Well,
you have any questions for me?
No, I really appreciate you.
Yeah, no worries. I miss riding. I'm actually kind of jealous. I had to sell my motorcycle when we had a baby.
Really?
Yeah, we needed all that
Dang.
money, so I was like, I'd hate to get rid of it, but my wife still says, hey, we can get another one when you're ready, so.
That was
we'll
my
see what
dad.
happens.
He used to ride as a kid, and then when I turned 16 and I got into him, he was like, well, I might get one. And now he's
Yeah.
on a twin speed 1200. He rides with me, so.
Oh, nice. I had an Indian, but I had a Chieftain, a big like cruiser.
Oh, those are nice.
Yeah, it was nice. It was very nice. It was all matte black, really nice. But I'm not a speed guy. I was just like a cruise and have the wind blowing and
Yeah.
my baldness. You know, I don't have any hair. So, anyways, I'll let you go. Have a good day. Okay?
Thank you. You too. Well, I got pulled over, y'all. Bruh, that's looking crazy. I pulled that. Oh, let's go.
Once again, this rider got in trouble after going a bit faster than they should. However, they pulled over immediately and stayed polite, which earned them several pieces of advice from the officer instead of a ticket.
Hey there, Officer Mayhem. Driver's license, insurance on you?
Yeah, driver's license is down here. Insurance is under the seat.
Go ahead. No, you get off the bike. Go ahead. Do what you got to do.
I just want to let you know what I was doing.
No, no, I totally get it. That's cool.
Can I ask what I'm being stopped for?
Yeah, you're going too fast. Speed limit's 125, not 37.
Got it. Sorry about that.
You got pockets everywhere.
Yeah.
Is this gas or electric?
Sorry?
Is this gas or electric?
Gas.
It is gas. Oh, okay.
A few moments later.
First motorcycle?
Yeah.
Plan on getting anything bigger?
Maybe in a few years.
What you got your eyes set on?
There's a Trident 660.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been riding this thing?
I think I got it 3 or 4 months ago.
Oh, wow. Okay, so brand new to it. Nice.
Yeah.
You being careful other than just going a little bit fast? Other than that, you being good?
Yeah.
All right, good deal.
I usually ride with more gear on, but it's just so cold out.
Well, okay, to be fair, I saw you the other day, or I think it was today actually.
Really?
And,
was it over on the bridge?
Kinda, yeah. I was sitting there with an officer in a car. I was like, holy crap, somebody else that rides with PJs on the motorcycle. So, warning today.
Okay.
All right, let me get you a copy of this warning and then we're done.
Awesome.
Cool?
Thank you.
All right, when you're ready to upgrade to a real nice motorcycle, I'm telling you, BMW's the way to go.
I was looking at the 310.
Is that like a 310 GS?
Yeah, that one.
I have the 1200 GS.
Oh, wow.
Love that bike. I've had three of them.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, when you get to that point.
Hey, I'm looking at it. They're just so expensive.
Yes, they're BMW and Harley are proud of their stuff.
Yes, they are.
You take care of a BMW, it'll last forever though. My bike has 70,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
And it runs like a top.
I've got like almost 1,200 on this one already.
Heck yeah, man, nice.
Yeah.
Well listen, you be careful. I'll probably see you around. You take care.
Probably. You too. Bye.
If you are enjoying this video so far, leave a comment below and tell us how these videos help you as a rider. We read every comment and may feature some of them in upcoming videos.
Uh-oh, someone done something.
Good, how are you, sir?
Who's driving the blue one?
This one?
Yeah.
You weren't the one who was just running from me, were you? Oh, no, sir. I, just got here.
What? Gotta leave. Hey? Well, head down.
Even if your bike is parked on the street, it still needs to be fully legal. Cops can still ticket you for things like improper plates or missing registration.
What's up? Your license plate. I just got the bike, and it's kind of. You want to say subtle?
You don't got a plate for it at all? No tint tape?
I was gonna go to the DMV today, but apparently you can't get a temp tag.
We had to pull off because the thing died on us.
It's in my name and everything. It's just I just got it back from the shop literally not too long ago, and it's still dying on me.
Oh.
It's all fixed.
This is private property.
My bike literally died right there. I couldn't extend the rest of
What do you mean died? Right.
It's just kind of cut
Bad
out.
idle. Alright, well obviously, so if you ride anything on the roadway, vehicle without a plate, alright? Get that thing taken care of ASAP.
I don't know if I should just drill it to the back or buy a bracket because
You can always drill it. And then you can just bend the plate. That's what I did with mine.
What do you got?
Kawasaki 650. Yeah, I got it brand new 2 years ago. Alright guys, you got your cool drive safe. Absolutely. Thank you, officer. Yep.
Click here to see the next Police vs. Bikers episode. It might be even crazier than this one. Like, comment, and don't miss what happens next.